Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to make the fluffiest airy ring donut without a mixer. These are the ingredients I'll use for this recipe. Some flour, sugar, butter, eggs, milk, salt, and yeast. Keep watching and don't skip any part of this video while I show you how to make these yummy donuts. Let's get started. Start by measuring your well-sifted flour. Measure 3.5 cups accurately. Getting accurate measurement is very important, so make sure you measure accurately. This is the right way to measure. It should be well leveled like this. After measuring your flour, add in 1 tablespoon of yeast and about half a teaspoon of salt. Measure accurately 1/3 cup of sugar and mix properly till very well combined. After mixing, go in with 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, add in 2 medium-sized eggs and milk. Measure in 1/2 cup of milk. You might want to substitute milk for water. Then mix all properly till very well mixed. Go in with your hands to make mixing better. If you find that your dough is a bit too stiff or too thick, feel free to add a few tablespoons of water or milk. Transfer to a work surface and knead. Here comes the work. Guys, you need to get ready because you're going to do this for up to 30 minutes or more till your dough gets really soft, stretchy, and transparent. I'll show you what I mean. So guys, use your strength and knead properly. You need a lot of energy for this. At this point, you can see the dough is tearing up and not very stretchy. By the time we are done, you'll see the difference. So go ahead and knead. This is a very serious arm workout. So knead properly, guys. You need to knead this properly. It's been 30 minutes and guys, I'm sure you can see how the dough has changed. It's now stretchy. Knead a bit more. And look how smooth, soft and stretchy it's gotten. This is what your dough should look like. To further make sure your dough is ready, cut a small piece, stretch it out like this. If you can see through your dough, if it's transparent, then your dough is ready. But if you stretch it up and it's tearing up, you'll need to knead it a bit more. So the dough is all ready. I'll just roll it up this way and let it sit for about 5 minutes before rolling. After 5 minutes, this is the dough. It's gotten softer and more stretchy. Flour up your work surface and roll flat. Don't roll too thin, otherwise you'll end up with thin or flat donuts. Flip and keep rolling till you get it to be this thick. This thickness is okay. I'll use this donut cutter to cut. You can use 2 round shapes for this if you don't have a cutter. 1 large one for the main donut and the small one for the holes. Go ahead and cut them all up like this. After cutting, take out the extras and re-roll. Knead your leftover dough properly, re-roll and cut. You need to do this till you've exhausted all your dough. Sprinkle some flour on your tray and line up your dough. Please don't overcrowd them so that they'll have room to rise up. You can use a parchment paper or a baking paper for this. You cut your baking paper into small bits enough to take the donut. Sprinkle your flour and place your donut. After placing them, cover and leave in a warm place to rise for about 45 minutes. It's been 45 minutes and it's risen up and it's time to fry. Please fry on low heat. If you use high heat, your donut will be brown on the outside but uncooked on the inside, and we really want to avoid that. Fry for about 2 minutes on each side till it's as brown as you'd like and take out of the oil. Our donuts are all ready now and I'll sugar coat them. Please do this while it's still hot. If you let it cool down before sugar coating, the sugar might not stick to the donut properly. You can coat this with powdered milk also, a mixture of powdered milk and sugar. So yummy. Moment of truth, look how soft this is. Guys, this tasted so amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.